I don't know if you guys think the same way I do, but I sort of have this opinion that Roman numerals give off this state of elegance. It's a little bit different than the normal Arabic marker or stick marker. I feel like it just screams elegance and sophistication. And so, for source, I have two Roman numeral watches right here in front of me. Of course, they're at first glance you're going to see that they are completely different, but at the same time they're both Datejust. Well, this is a date, but this is a Datejust. But you can see they're very similar in idea. This one has the oyster band on it. This has the Jubilee band. So if you just also this has the engine turn bezel on it, and this one has the fluted bezel. It's monochromatic. It's got this silver dial, and of course silver indices as well. So this is a nondescript watch. It kind of just doesn't say look at me, but at the same time has this beautiful sheen to it everywhere you look. Light reflects off this beautifully, and then on this one you have the white porcelain dial with the silver indices, and I think this one just screams dress watch to me. Of course, you get the oyster band well, so it also has that sort of sporty feel as well.